What's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Mini Tucker, and we're gonna be reading our slimes today, so yay! First up, we have Tinkerbell, and y'all can read these in the comment. And so yeah, we're gonna be reading it. So yeah. Okay, so look at this stretch test. It's pretty stretchy, like slay. It smells like green apple, and there's like these little sparkles in it. Y'all can see, and it smells so good. It smells like green apple. Okay, so next up we have milk tea boba, because I love milk tea boba. Okay, so this one, it's like really stretchy and like really sticky. So yeah. Sorry, that was the bead. The little, I'm trying to find the bead. That's the little bead right there. You can barely see it, and it's getting sticky everywhere. And it makes your hands very wet. And the beads, they're supposed to be like the little, you know, the little boba things. Okay, not last one. Oh my God. Okay, so we have this one. I call it shark teeth. It's really, my cousin made this and it looks so ugly. I know. No, I made it and it's really ugly. I don't know why I made it. Like, this is so wrong. I put all of these little charms in it and it feels like it. So yeah, look at that. The stretch is pretty good, but there's a lot in here because look what happens when nothing happened, but look what happens when I like break it. There's some stuff that comes out, look. Something hit you, sorry. Okay. Now we're just gonna put it back in, and last but not least, this was the last one. Remember that Mini Tucker. Okay, so, this one is birthday cake. Birthday cake. Okay, there you go. Not again. It's like, okay, there you go. And look at this. Oh, sorry. Here, I'm gonna make a bubble, but y'all can't see my secret, so. Hold on. Just a few seconds. Hold on, like 2 more minutes. Did you hear that? There's the slime bubble. Look at it. It's like a squishy. And I love this slime. Like, you can throw it. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to throw it at you. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I still got some slime from the shark teeth. Oh my God. I put it kind of in there, but who cares? Like, who cares? It's like so slay. Okay. That thing just literally sharted. Okay. When I mean shart, it means fart. So yeah. What else? Oh, and I got this other slime. It's called toothpaste. I've never seen it before. Like, it's so slay. Look at it. It's so cool. Like, you can even eat it. It like tastes like It tastes minty, yeah. Oh, and this one is like slime too. Bye, y'all guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. So, bye, and click that ring.